I'm so excited to see the Nutcracker.
My family comes to the Nutcracker every year.
Why is that?
The Nutcracker is a magical dream coming to life right in front of you. There's beautiful dancing by the Sugar Plum Fairy. Snow falls on stage, just like in a snowy forest.
It snows on stage?
Yeah, right on the stage. And there's a holiday tree that grows so big, it touches the top of the stage.
Wow, that's a big tree.
Shh, the performance is starting.
BalletMet's The Nutcracker, December 10th through the 26th. Tickets available now.